English step by step, pronunciation and spelling. Vowels, e and a. Step 1. This video is one of a series of videos in which I talk about the sounds and the spellings of English. The sounds and the spellings of the vowels of English. In this video I'm going to talk about two vowels, e and a. You can watch my other video in which I give an overview of all the vowels, all the sounds and spellings of the vowels in English. In this video we're looking at e, and this sound is as in left, bread, many, said, etc. And the other one is a, as in wait, mate, pay, Gaelic. So now let's look at the spellings of these two phonemes. The first one, e, is normally spelled with an e, and there are many words with this spelling. Beg, met, mental, kettle, left. This is the standard spelling. Now there are of course irregular spellings, for example, bread, head. And there are also irregular spellings which you don't see very often. For example, many with an A. This is very irregular. AI is also the same sound, said. And we also have this very common word, friend, with the IE spelling. And then we have an EI spelling in leisure. Most of the words with this sound have an E. Some words have an EA, and there are not very many words with these last spellings. So that's E. Now the next one is A. Now normally this sound is spelled with AI. For example, wait, rained, mate. Sometimes it's spelled with the AY, as in pay, stay. And there are some irregular spellings too. For example, EI, as in feign, and that's another word which means pretend. Or vein, and that's the part of your body where the blood flows. And then we have this word Gaelic, and I can't think of any other words with this spelling, so this one is probably unique. AE, as in Gaelic. Some people say Gaelic, but one of the common pronunciations is Gaelic, with the same sound A. Now, one good way to practice these sounds and the differences in the spellings is to think about minimal pairs. That means pairs of words which have sounds which are similar, but you can hear the difference if you listen carefully. So they're called pairs of words, minimal pairs, because the differences are very small. Let's practice now. Wet, wait. Wet, wait. Met, mate. Met, mate. Let, late. Let, late. Bread, braid. Bread, braid. Trend, trained. Trend, trained. So listen, write, and think about the spelling. Number 1, tell. Tell. 2, met. Met. Number 3, chess. Chess. Number 4, fell. Fell. Number 5, pen. Pen. Number 6, tail. Tail. Number 7, mate. mate. Number 8, chase, chase. 9, fail, fail. 10, pain, pain. All right, those are the individual words. Now listen and write the sentences, 11 to 15. 11. The king reigned for 8 years. The king reigned for 8 years. 12. She sent a text to her best friend. She sent a text to her best friend. 13. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. 14. I take care of my mental health. I take care of my mental health. 15. A chess game is a test for your brain. A chess game is a test for your brain. So that brings us to the end of this step 1 video on the sounds e and a. Now you can move on to the step 2 video in which I give the answers to the practice exercise. This video is one of a series of videos in which I look at the pronunciation and spelling of English vowels and English words. So, you can watch the other videos, you can watch my overview video. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.